Hello, welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to create a rate in the Axis Pro mobile app so you can clearly define your prices and use them when tracking your work and creating invoices directly from your phone.
Go to the home page of the mobile app and tap the three-line menu icon at the top to open the main options. Tap Add Rate and fill in all the required fields: rate name, amount, and type, which can be hourly or fixed. Then press Create, and that's it. Your rate will be created and ready to use.
You can add as many rates as you need, depending on the different services you offer or the various pricing structures you use. This way, each rate stays organized and ready to apply whenever you track your work or create an invoice.
And with this, you now know how to create a rate from the Axis Pro mobile app. Defining your rates on the go allows you to work and invoice faster and stay organized wherever you are. See you in the next tutorial.